guys, it's me Belle and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I made this top. And a little disclaimer, I am not a professional seamstress, so please bear with my skills. First, we need to lay down the top and get a ruler and a washable marker. Start to trace from the collar to the underarm. Follow the line that we just made and cut. Measure how long you wanted the top will be. For mine, I decided to cut 3 inches from the bottom. After that, trace the line and cut. Remove the seam left from the collar and underarm using a seam ripper. Use sewing pins to secure the bottom for the seam. I decided to do a lettuce seam for the bottom. Use a zigzag stitch and don't forget to stretch the fabric while you sew. The more you stretch the fabric, the more evident the lettuce hem will be. After that, do the same with the top part by using pins to secure the seam that we will sew later. Sew the seam using a zigzag stitch, but this time do not stretch while you sew. After sewing, our top is done.